Want to kickstart your manufacturing dream but feel overwhelmed by where to start? You're not alone. Every aspiring entrepreneur reaches a point where they ask, what's the right product, what's unique enough to stand out but still practical enough to make money? That's why in this video we're sharing the 13 best profitable manufacturing business ideas for 2025. Number 1. Modular furniture units. As urban spaces shrink, people are opting for space-saving and customizable furniture. This includes foldable tables, beds with storage, or moldable shelving. It's a hit with city dwellers and minimalist home decorators. Number 2. Organic skincare product manufacturing. Organic skincare is another booming industry. Create chemical-free soaps, lotions, or essential oil blends. The focus on natural and organic ingredients can help you stand out in this competitive market. Here's a creative and a sustainable one. Number 3. Recycle plastic bricks. Men manufacturing recycled plastic bricks. These are made from melted and reshaped plastic waste and can be used for construction. You do not only contribute to the environment, but you also tap into the booming construction industry. Number 4. Smart home device manufacturing. As homes get smarter, the demand for devices like smart locks, energy-efficient lighting, and automated blinds is growing. With some tech, new and innovation, you can carve profitable spaces in this high-tech market. Number 5. Lightweight concrete panels are used in construction for faster and more efficient building. They're perfect for interior walls and facades, and the demand is skyrocketing in the real estate sector. Number 6. Personal air purifier manufacturing. With rising pollution levels, portable air purifiers are becoming essential. Manufacture personal air purifiers for home, car, or even wearable devices. People are willing to invest in clean air and the market is hot. Number 7. Educational toy manufacturing. Educational toys help kids learn through play. Manufacturers STEM kits, wooden puzzles, or sensory toys that are both fun and developmental. Parents and schools are always looking for high-quality educational options. Number 8. Electric bicycle manufacturing. As cities become more congested, electric bicycles are growing in popularity. Start a business manufacturing e-bikes that are eco-friendly and cost-effective for daily commuting. Number 9. Mushroom farming kits. Mushrooms are packed with nutrients, and mushroom farming kits make growing them at home easy. Manufacture and sell ready-to-grow kits for gourmet mushrooms like shiitake, oyster, or lion's mane. Number 10. Recycled paper product manufacturing. Transform recycled paper into new products like notebooks, gift wraps, or seed paper that grows into flowers when it's planted. This sustainable business has endless possibilities and attracts eco-conscious consumers. Number 11. Custom sport equipment. Create high-quality customized sports equipment like cricket bats, baseball gloves, or tennis rackets. Number 12. Portable camping gear manufacture. Lightweight portable camping gear like compact tents, folding tables, or solar-powered cooking stoves. And number 13. Plant-based meat production. Plant-based diets are more popular than you can manufacture plant-based burgers, sausages, or even protein snacks.